Hello everyone! In this video we will be exploring how to conduct a keyword search in the PubMed database. This is the third video tutorial in the series on PubMed. So in the first video in the tutorial series we discussed how to find PubMed as a Dalhousie student, and in the second video how to select appropriate keywords for your search. In this session of the tutorial series we are going to discuss how to use the keywords you previously identified to perform a search, and then how to access the full text version of the articles that you find during your search. So to review from our previous video, PubMed is a database that contains article abstracts from a wide variety of resources in the health science field. It is free for anyone to use, but often texts are not available without journal subscriptions. However, as Dalhousie students or faculty, you have access to much of the subscription-based content through DAL. After following the instructions in the previous video, you'll be brought to the PubMed homepage, which has a basic search bar as indicated by the red arrow. You then type your keywords into this bar and press Enter or click the search button on the right to get your results. The database will then generate a list of all of the articles that contain the keywords in their abstract. The number of results will be listed above the list of articles, which is helpful to refer to as you narrow or broaden your search. Using the Display Options button, you can influence how your results are presented. The default is Best Match, but depending on what you're looking for, you can also sort based on publication date or other variables. Additionally, you can use the filters along the left side of the screen to narrow down your results based on different variables. For instance, if I wanted all of my results to have a full text version available, I would go to the text availability section and select the free full text option. An updated results list would then populate to reflect this filter usage. If I decided I no longer wanted to use this filter, I would simply select the Clear All Filters option at the top of the result, which would give me the original list once again. There are many other filters, including article type, which can be helpful to narrow down your search to a specific type of publication, like a randomized control trial. Another helpful tool appears at the bottom of the page. If you scroll down, you will see a list of related searches, which might give you inspiration. When you click on a result, it brings you to a different page that displays the abstract of that article. From here, you can access a full text version through the links on the right side of the page. Choosing Get It Through DAL will bring you to the Novanet page for this article, and you can typically select an online version to view. At this point, you will often be prompted to sign in depending on the link and the journal. At this point, sign in using your DAL login, and then you will be brought to a full text version. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on keyword searching in PubMed, and I'd like to encourage you to review video tutorial 4 to learn about using medical subject headings, the controlled vocabulary of this database.